Are you a Pinterest user who has been wondering how to make money on the platform? If that's the case, then you're in luck because you have a great opportunity to turn your passion into profit. In this video, we'll cover 5 great ways you can use Pinterest to make money. Number 1. Partner with brands. One of the best ways to make money on Pinterest is to partner with brands. You can do this by using the paid partnership tool when creating idea pins. All you have to do is create an idea pin and then add the paid partnership label and tag your partner brand. Once your partner approves the request, their brand name will be displayed on your idea pin. Furthermore, brands can opt to promote your idea pins as ads, which increases your reach and allows you to make more money. Number 2. Join group boards and make new personal boards. Group boards are an excellent way to reach more people and make more money on Pinterest. Joining group boards on topics related to your niche can increase traffic to your pins and ultimately boost your profits. Number 3. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your e-commerce site. If you own an e-commerce site, such as one that sells printables on Etsy, you can make money using Pinterest. You can drive a lot of traffic to your site by creating attractive pins that people want to share. This will result in more viewers on your site. Additionally, you should partner with other brands and offer them special promotions. This will help increase your overall profits. Number 4. Offer Pinterest management plans. Another great way to make money on Pinterest is to become a Pinterest consultant. Your services can include creating brand boards, optimizing pins, and helping clients with their content strategies. Most consultants charge a monthly fee for their services, which can range from $150 to $300 per client. Additionally, you should consider offering special packages with extra bonuses, such as social media training, to increase your profits. From partnering with brands to driving traffic with ads, to creating personal boards, to driving traffic to an e-commerce site, or becoming a Pinterest consultant, the possibilities are endless. If you want to make money on Pinterest, use these 5 tips to get started. If you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.